Welcome to Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we will be solving for x, trying to find the value of x by completing the square. Now, okay, now you're given a problem like this. The first step to completing the square is make sure that your coefficient for x is 1. All right, here it's 1, so we can go ahead and complete the square. The first thing we need to do is we need to isolate only these first two terms. So we have x squared minus 8x, and we practically need a number here which would make it a perfect square and bring the 9 this side. So we have plus is equal to positive 9. All right, we are looking for a number to add here. Whatever you add here will be added on this side. Fine, let's go to it. How do we get this number? It is usually b over 2 squared, where this is a, b, and c. B over 2 squared, which is this number negative 8. You have to consider the sign too. In this case, we have negative 8 over 2 squared. So this cancels out to 4. I like to write the negative 4 because it makes my work easier. Squared, which happens to be equal to 16. Okay, so now we have x squared minus 8x. We have to add 16 on this end, 9, and add 16 on this end to make it a perfect square. And your perfect square will be with the number negative 4. X minus 4 squared will be equal to 9 plus 16 is 25. You see now how we get this negative 4 here in x? Then taking square root on both sides, we have x minus 4 is equal to plus or minus 5. So x minus 4 is equal to 5, one solution. X minus 4 is equal to negative 5, your second solution. So x will be equal to 9 here, and x will be equal to negative 1. See, this was how we solve using completing the square method over here. Let's go to the next one. And remember, with these kind of sums, practice makes you perfect. Let's do one more for practice. Okay, let's separate this. We need only x squared plus 10x plus what number? Okay, and keep the negative becomes positive. Plus what number makes this a perfect square? For that, we take 10 over 2 squared, which gives me 5 squared, which happens to be 25. So we had to add 25 to make this a perfect square, and add 25 on this end too, and that gives me x plus 5 squared is equal to 28. All right, square root on both sides. Factors of 28 are 2, 14, 2, and 7, which are 2 squared times 7. The square root of that, which gives me x plus 5 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 2 squared times 7, which is equal to plus or minus 2 root 7. So x is equal to negative 5 plus or minus 2 root 7. And these are your solutions. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to practice every day, please subscribe to my channel as I post every day. Till next time, have a nice day.